Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neal, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tecno Camon CM fully. We're going to be doing a full unboxing and a full review of this device. And I'll also be giving this device away by the end of February. So if you would like to be a part of this competition, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and follow me on my social media platforms. So without much ado, let's get started, people. We're presented with the Tecno Camon CX in its 18:9 aspect ratio glory. We also got a compartment that houses the 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a Bloom Play music card, and the user manual. We've also got a TPU carrying case in this compartment as well, which is quite nice that Tecno included this one. I think this is a nice touch, and this case fits the device snugly. We've also got the charging adapter, which is a 5-volt charging adapter. We've got a micro USB cable, and we've also got a pair of earphones that Tecno has included in this package. The Camon CM runs on Android 7.0 Nougat, which I am not quite sure if it's going to be updated to the Oreo operating system. It's also got a 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor inside of it. We have a 5.7-inch HD plus display with resolution that is maxed out at 720p. This resolution, or this display rather, is also an 18:9 aspect ratio display. You've got a 16 gigabytes of ROM and 2 gigabytes of RAM. We've got 13 megapixel rear camera with quad flash, and we've also got a 13 megapixel front facing camera with flash as well. For connectivity, we've got GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, OTG. For the battery capacity, we also got a 3000 mAh battery in this one. To the top of the device, you got your 3.5mm headphone port. To the bottom of the device, you got your micro USB port, your microphone cutout, and your speaker grill. To the right, you've got your volume rockers and power button, which are well spaced and very clicky. And to the left, you've got your SIM card tray, which houses 2 SIM card trays and your micro SD card slot as well. So that's 3 slots in one bay. Really nice. And to the back of the device, you got your fingerprint scanner, which is quite very fast as well, I must say. I compared the Tecno Camon CX to the Samsung Galaxy S8, and both of them were looking very good. In terms of build quality, the Samsung Galaxy S8 felt quite better than the Camon CM, but in terms of looks and aesthetics, they both looked very similar. Although the Tecno Camon CM was built using plastic, you would not be able to tell this just by looking at it, except you get your hands on the device. I also compared the Camon CM to the Yuhan's i8, and both of them were also very similar in their looks, but in terms of feel and build quality, the Yuhan's i8 was actually better. The Yuhan's i8 was thicker than the Tecno Camon CM, and the Tecno Camon CM was overall lighter than these other phones, making Tecno Camon CM one of the lightest phones I've ever held. Video on the Tecno Camon CM was just okay, as you are maxed out at 720p. I wish they would stop making devices with 720p displays. We should move on to the point where all displays are 1080p and above. I think that would make more sense to me. But nonetheless, the video played flawlessly well, colors were vibrant, and viewing angles were great. The external speaker also sounded very clear with no crackling whatsoever. So media consumption on this device will be a joy to most of the people who get their hands on this device. So guys, that was a quick look at the Tecno Camon CM, a brand new device from Tecno, and I really like this black version. It looks really very sleek. So remember, I'm giving this device away by the end of February, so if you would like to win this device, it's very simple. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social media handle. I'll put all the instructions in the description section of this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.